guys, welcome to one more lesson in our course, The Fundamentals of Future in English. Today, guys, we will see how we can use going to in negative. Now that you have learned the different possibilities with will, the adverbs of probability, the model verbs such as will, may, and might, and you have compared the differences of will and going to in our previous lessons, let's see how we can use going to in negative, right? To describe negative future. To make the simple future with going to in negative, the formula is we have the subject, right? I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. The verb to be, which is necessary with going to. And then now, guys, pay very close attention here because the not will go with the verb to be, right? So we say, I am not going to, you are not going to, and then after the verb, right? So using the examples of read a book, watch a movie, and study philosophy, let's create with watch a movie. Let's do this exercise together. I would like you to pause this video and first listen to what I tell you, then you can pause the video. I would like you to build with all the subjects, I, you, he, she, it, we, and they, the going to sentence with watch a movie, right? So, for example, the first one I will tell you is, I am not going to watch a movie. Now, your mission is to create with this sentence the same idea, watch a movie, but with the different subjects, okay? So, you, he, she, it, we, and they, all right? So pause this video, write on your notebook this exercise, and once you finish, continue the video because I will tell you the answers and then you can compare with what you wrote. All right, I hope that you have paused the video, and now let's check out together, and then you can compare with what you have written. I am not going to watch a movie. You are not going to watch a movie. He is not going to watch a movie. It is not going to watch a movie. We are not going to watch a movie. And finally, they are not going to watch a movie. All right, guys? So now you know how to build the sentences of going to in negative with all the subjects. And then let's just check out some examples in order to solidify even more this reflection. They aren't going to eat steak. They are vegetarian. Or we could say, if we contract going to, they aren't gonna eat steak. They are vegetarian. He isn't gonna go to the gym tonight. So he isn't going to go to the gym tonight. He's very tired. And then lastly, we aren't going to travel. We are short on money. So here, guys, is how you can build the going to in negative. The structure, right? The formula you have there. Take notes of this, extremely important, and some examples, okay? And if you want to solidify this even more, my suggestion is to do a similar exercise to what we did previously with watch a movie, but this time create a sentence of going to in negative with all the subjects, but for read a book and then for study philosophy, okay? In order to really practice this, because practice makes it perfect, okay? Always interact very actively with the material in order to learn effectively. So this is it for this lesson. We catch up on our next discussion. Until then.